Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. We're going to go and talk about the latest and greatest. We're up just a little bit right now in an overall very flat market. The overall crypto market is not doing a lot right now. Shiba's up just a little bit. It's up a smidge. Remember that. I always love that. Give you a new word of the day. Smidge. I love smidge. It's a great word. All right, so we're going to look at that. We're going to talk about it. Shiba Swap is in the works. That is Shiba's exchange. A lot moving around that. That's a pretty big catalyst that's out there for us. There's a lot of discussion. There was a rumor yesterday that has not been substantiated that Vitalik sent about 5% or so of the Shiba tokens that he still has left over to Shiba Swap. I don't know if that's true, but I am just giving you that information. I did hear that yesterday, did see that, have not been able to substantiate that yet, but that's something that's out there floating. And again, we'll go look at overall Shiba and kind of see what is going on with it right now in this video. As always, remember this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a stockbroker and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a 30-year stock guy, just trying to help you navigate these waters, give you a little bit of info so that you can make good choices in the cryptos that you choose to put money in. Again, invest at your own risk and do it smartly. Diversify your risk, things of that nature. Just make good choices, okay? Also, I have to do this public service announcement. Comments below. Anybody who looks like me trying to get you to go over to WhatsApp to talk to them, that is not me. I would not ask you to do that. Those guys are con artists and scammers. Do not interface with them. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, let's go take a look at what is going on with the latest and greatest around Shiba. So as I mentioned, we're really flat. I mean, we're up just a 0.38%, right in that 16 range. I want to talk about this real quickly. We really have gone through, obviously. I know you're going to be like, duh, Austin. We've gone through a correction, okay? With everything that has transpired in the last week or so, in the last week with Shiba, we are absolutely kind of in the middle of a correction phase, or kind of and that's where we're at. If you look at the 7-day chart, we are running completely flat. I mean, really, and we have leveled at this range. If you look at a 24-hour low right here and 24-hour high, a 24-hour low is 14, 17. Yesterday, our 24-hour low and high was 13 and 19 respectively. We are trading in this range. Is that good news or bad news? I think it is good news. We have leveled off. This is absolutely our support level. I mean, this is it. I mean, you can see it. It's very straightforward. There it is right in front of you. This is our support level. Now, what is going to have to happen from here to get us moving back up, to get to, where we're 3/100,000ths of a dollar or something like that, and beyond that is catalyst. We need movement. We need Shiba Swap. We need media attention. We need more buyers coming in, things of that nature. Will we get to a penny? Man, I really hope so. I definitely love what I'm seeing related to Shiba. I love the army that's developed around it. I love, everything that I see that it's becoming. And I like what I'm seeing. Okay. Again, this is a volatile, brand new crypto that has yet to really, get its legs underneath it. I'm not slamming Shiba. I'm just simply pointing out that it is new. And we'll see how it continues to develop. There is a development, obviously a very large development group around it that is talking about some really cool stuff that Shiba is going to be doing. And again, if you want to learn about that, go to shibatoken.com. That is their website where you can learn about Shiba Swap and everything, the community around it and all that kind of stuff. So I think that we've got some cool stuff in the works. Right now, it is just not there's really not a lot going on with Shiba. And frankly, there's not a lot going on in the overall market. If you look at, this is the most viewed cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. I always talk about this one, but I've also point out, look at this 24-hour column, right? You've got really Polygon, outside of Polygon and Shiba Inu, you've got not a lot of major movements. Polygon is on a run lately. It's a really good one. You might want to look at that. It is absolutely on a tear. Look, in the last 7 days, it's up 111%. But my point is that overall, just not a lot. I mean, Solana's up a little bit. Feg token, things of that nature. These are again, the most viewed cryptos right now, with the most interest in them. My point to you is that the overall crypto market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of them are kind of really flat as of right now. SafeMoon's up 7%. Bitcoin, look, it's down 1%. Doge is down just a little bit. I mean, and Ethereum is down 1%. We're flat, okay? Really not a lot in the standpoint of kind of overall market scenario. I think we're kind of in a holding pattern for a lot of cryptos related to we need catalysts. Right now we're kind of in this kind of, there's not a lot of new news, but I continue bringing you these videos because these are the times when I think a lot of people kind of freak out. Okay, they're kind of like, well, oh my God, we got to be doing something. This is not a bad time to be in. This is a kind of cooling off period. We're kind of level, not a lot going on around per se. I mean, look at the volume has dropped even. I mean, we had volume spikes back, 17 and 18 of May right here. Look at this great, and I'm looking at this gray chart right here. See, we had volume spikes that kind of volume, and now it's trended off a little bit. Okay, and that's okay. Okay, you need these kind of times a little bit. The market cap, we're still at 27. Market cap's down 1.5%, 1.25%. Excuse me. Overall though, I don't mind these kind of quiet times, and depending upon what your objectives are, remember, you potentially look at maybe buying at these levels, pick a price, maybe, hey, you know what, if it drops down, set a buy level. If it drops down to 14 again, maybe you decide to pick up a little bit. Don't put money into this crypto that you can't afford to lose, because it is still risky, it is still volatile. I mean, there's inherent risk, guys, in all crypto, right? And if you look again, I get this question all the time. Where can you pick up Shiba? I recommend Binance and KuCoin. KuCoin, that's how I pronounce it. KuCoin, whatever. That one, Binance and KuCoin are the two that are probably the better. Again, not worse, not better. Those are one of the main ones. And I've heard that it's fairly easy to buy on KuCoin, and I've seen and heard that on Binance it can be a little bit of a pain in the proverbial backside. Okay. I do talk about this all the time. This is an article that's over on Yahoo Finance, how you can get Shiba Inu for free. It's an offer from crypto.com. It may not be for the United States, people who live in the States. Somebody posted that on my comments. I don't know if there's any validity to that. Go to crypto.com, check it out. You can kind of read more about that. I'm not going to go into detail and read everything because I've covered this a couple of different times. I think that where we're at right now is, overview. I think where we're at right now is, trying to get back to kind of a level where we, right now we're trading in the 1.5 range. If we can kind of, our next resistance level is the 2.0 range. We just haven't really been able to break above that. We touched 19 yesterday. I think if we can get to 2.0, then we can get to 2.5, and we're on our way. But again, we need catalysts for that. We need Shiba swap to hit, to do well, to take off, all of those kind of scenarios. We need catalysts, and that's where we don't have those right this second. We're in a quiet period. All right. I realize that there's not a lot moving on, but hey, it's still my job to bring you these videos to kind of keep you up to date so that you know the latest and greatest. Not a lot of new news out there either. Otherwise, I'd be bringing you some of that as well. There's just not a lot going on right now. We're quiet, and sometimes that's okay. All right. So with that said, make good choices, diversify your risk. Don't put all your money in Shiba. Don't put all your money in Doge. Spread it around some different cryptos. I like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polygon, Litecoin. I know I'm XRP. Those are all good. Shiba, for various different reasons. Doge, things of that nature. Spread it around and then spread it outside of crypto. Put some money over into the stock market. Get yourself some ETFs, things of that nature. I'll see you down the road. Make good choices. Bye.